One might think, well, if a couple has less than 10.86, what's the point of talking about estate taxes when it comes to many of our couples which have less than 10.86 million in estate taxes or less than 5.43? The problem is that we still have the potential of state estate taxes. There are still currently 40% of the states, meaning 18 states which have its own estate tax system, which is separate than the federal system. And there exist two types of estate taxes in those states. Number one, an estate tax system which is similar to the federal system, meaning the tax is taken on the entire decedent's estate and then distributed to the heirs after taxes are done, and therefore they pay no tax on the received assets. And number two, an inheritance estate tax. And what the inheritance tax is instead of taking the tax at the decedent's level on that pot and then distributing it out to the heirs get their pro rata distribution right away and then pay taxes on their share that they receive after they've received it from their inheritance. And there are some charts in the materials. Be sure to consult with your trusted estate planning attorney or research this yourself, but year to year these estate taxes are changing, and this needs to be updated continually. The other statement I want to make is that given basically the portability of a lot of our clients and how people are moving from state to state these days, this is something that not only estate planners but also divorce attorneys need to take into consideration because 40% of the states still have a lot of these rules in place. And it's interesting to note the states that have the highest applicable exclusions, the amount that you can pass the most estate tax free right now, seem to be Delaware, Hawaii, Massachusetts, and Oregon. And then the state with the lowest exemptions appear to be, the lowest exemptions are DC, Massachusetts, and Oregon. And the highest exemptions are Delaware and Hawaii. And then you can see the rates for anything over and above that exemption run approximately about 16%. It looks like the states are competing with each other to try to keep their rate looking the same.